Because I equal fun.
Car media.
Peru definitely has its landscapes. Here we are in Huacachina in Ica, Peru. Looks like something out of Aladdin, right of Egypt. It is absolutely incredible. We're gonna go to the very, very top of these things and go sandboarding. Huacachina, awesome place. Check it out. Huacachina is located in Ica, Peru, about 4 hours to the south of Lima. My recommendation on getting there is to get a driver in the city to take you there, put together a tour. You can wrap together Paracas and Huacachina and make a whole day of it. I guarantee you'll have a great time. Reach out to me. I can set you up with drivers. You do not want to get on a tourist bus in an organized tour with 30 other people and get ushered around. You want to see this place the best way that you possibly can. $100, you can't go wrong. Reach out to me. That is what I do. About to take off sandboarding in the Huacachina Oasis. Absolutely incredible. I got to go to the top of these incredibly beautiful sand dunes. Feels like you're in like the middle of like the Sahara or Egypt or something. Or to me, it like feels like the desert world of Mario 3. Dating myself there, but seriously, that's what it feels like. Really cool. Check it out. Up here in Huacachina, this place is absolutely gorgeous, like absolutely breathtaking. I highly recommend this to anybody. You gotta do this. Huacachina round 3. Wipeouts are part of the process, everybody. It's a lot of fun. My baby's fun.
Ay, muchas gracias. Estamos muy chévere. I don't know why I always listen to you.
Because I equal fun. That's why. So that's a wrap on Huacachina. This place is absolutely spectacular. You have got to try this. You cannot come through without doing this. This is like your after Machu Picchu, fun in the sun kind of thing. Definitely check it out. And if you need anything, reach out to the Peru because he's got you. This is the other part of the Huacachina fun.
So,
Still coming out too.